Hello everyone, this is Nadia from LifterLMS. Today I'll show you how to force students to video completion before moving on next lessons. So let's get started. I already have a course, my test course, and in this course I have a video content lesson. So if I click on this video content lesson, here I can see that I have a YouTube video lesson, and also I have mark complete button. That means if a student has not seen these videos and if he clicks on this mark complete button, it will be marked as a completed lesson. But I don't want it. I want to ensure that my students will complete this entire video lesson and then they will be able to mark this lesson as complete. So, LifterLMS has a required video completion features. This will help us to force a student to complete a video. This required video completion features is a key features for an LMS website. To enable this feature, we need the LifterLMS advanced video features. So if we visit on our LifterLMS pricing, in our Infinity bundle, we can see that we have our advanced video features. So if you want to enable these advanced video features, you have to buy our Infinity bundle. In our Infinity bundle, you have a lots of advanced features along with advanced video features. Also, we have another options that is LifterLMS advanced video single add-ons. You can buy these single add-ons. Also, you can buy our Infinity bundle. I already have this Infinity bundle on my website. So let's go back to our dashboard. Now, if we want to enable our required video completion option, we have to first visit on LifterLMS, then settings. Now we have to click on this integrations option. You can see that we have three videos option: Vimeo, Wistia, and YouTube. So we can host our videos on Vimeo, Wistia, and YouTube, and after that we have to just paste our video links on our lesson. As I have a YouTube video lesson, I'll click on this YouTube option. Now we have to just enable this integration. If your video is on Vimeo or Wistia, you have to just click on this option and follow the same process. Just enable this checkbox and then save changes. Now we have to go to courses. Here we can see that after the integration, we are able to see this enable option. We have to click on this. Enabling this option means students must watch the entire video before they can progress to the next lesson or attempt a quiz associated with the lesson. Now click on Save Changes. Now if we go back to our video lesson and refresh it, we can see that we can't mark complete this right now. We have to first watch the video. So one thing is, you can see that we can still are able to skip this video, but I don't want it. If a student can skip this video, they will be able to mark complete this lesson, but I don't want it. So that we have to do one thing, that we have to go to our integration options. In the integration options on YouTube, here we have an option that disable controls. We have to make sure that we always enable this option. That means users will only be able to play and pause the videos. Now if I click on Save Changes and I go back to our lesson, now we can see that I only can play and pause the video. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.